Hi everyone, I hope all of you are safe and healthy. I am Sarabjot Singh, STEM trainer from GoGlobalWays, New Delhi. As we all are using many AI techniques in our daily lives, starting from Alexa, Siri, Google Assistant, and many other techniques. And these AI techniques are becoming part and parcel of our lives. And more importantly, they are going to be the need of the future. Many future jobs will require the knowledge of these technologies. Like now, also, we must have heard about different news of the robots working as the waiters, they are working as the soldiers. So we can say these computers are becoming more smarter. But as a humans, we must know how to give instructions to our computer, how to get our things done by the computers. So it's become very important for the students to learn these future technologies and be future ready. As an educator, it becomes our responsibility to make the students understand and learn all these technologies. So to make them future ready. Kids have the power in themselves. They just need the tools to learn these things. So Codeavour 2020, this year's world's biggest online AI and coding competition, bringing a great opportunity for the kids to learn online coding, online AI, and many other things, and also participate with more than 50,000 participants all around the world, and also get a chance to win prizes which are worth $6,000. Also, a Codeavour team will be organizing the webinars to make you understand the whole procedure. So what are you waiting for? Just register yourself for the Codeavour 2020 and learn many new things about the AI and make a chance to win different prizes. All the best, guys.